Your iPhone is stuck in recovery mode and won't reboot. Whether it's due to a failed iOS update, a botched jailbreak, or a sudden system crash, this video shows exactly how to exit recovery mode. Start with a forced restart. Quickly press volume up, volume down, hold side button until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, hold side plus volume down for 10 seconds. iPhone 6s or older, press home plus side buttons until the screen restarts. If the restart fails, connect to iTunes or Finder for a system restore. Connect your device to iTunes or Finder. When prompted, click Restore to reinstall iOS. Note, this erases all data unless you have a backup. When manual methods risk data loss or fail, MagFone iOS System Recovery offers a seamless fix. Click Enter or Exit Recovery Mode. Exit Recovery Mode. Wait 10 to 20 seconds, your iPhone will exit recovery mode normally without erasing files. If recovery mode loops persist, the root cause is likely a corrupted iOS. MagFone's standard repair mode resolves this without data loss. Confirm your device model and download the latest firmware. Click Start Repair, the tool automatically fixes system errors without data loss.